This is Christopher being an idiot.
Whoa. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
They see me rolling.
Let's see how this works.
It's focusing on a tire. It's following it. That's cool.
Aha!
You're all gonna die.
I need a long ass sidewalk.
Go to the skate park.
Yeah.
Dee 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 dee.
Woo, woo. Yeah. I'll be alright.
Oh, he hit the car. That's how cool he is. Christopher, where'd you get your hair cut?
Hey.
No, where?
Oh, Memphis.
Oh. Oh. I shouldn't be laughing, but that was funny.
Airbag's a little slow.
I'm just gonna move
That's
it.
what it sets are for. If I had my gear on,
You wouldn't really care.
yeah, it'd be a lot easier because I wouldn't care about falling. But it hurts and I don't feel like doing it right now. And if this bucket was tighter.
Please don't crash again, because I want to actually get down on camera. Whew.
Yeah, maybe I'll try it again with all my stuff on, so it's not that bad. But it's cool. If only,
Look at your wheels.
if only these crutch ends didn't slip so much on the concrete, it'd be good. But it's good in a straight line so far until I tighten all this shit up. And if I don't fall on my ass. Oh yeah.
Coolio.
Yeah. 16 bucks. Wood and plastic. Cool. It worked.